Ah, E, I.
Nora.
Oh, you.
I can't see.
Ah. Well, now you won't perform for the camera. What's up with that? Ah. Nora. Nora, look at it. Look at here. Let's hope Mom doesn't do stuff like that on TV. Nora, she sees something. Look.
Woo!
Look here. That looks pretty close, Vivian. It's going to be far. How are we going to fall?
It's okay, Grandma. It's perfect. Oh, way too hard, guys. Me too.
So many safe places tonight. Oh, there you go. I know you're going really fast. Tell Mom she better move quicker because we're really going.
Go, guys!
Nora. See, I'm not going to cooperate with you. Cooperating for the camera.
We're at the water park. Vivian's a little bit reluctant to go to the water, but she's very excited. No, Vivian, that's Daddy's. It's Daddy's, son. And there she goes. There she goes. There she goes. And splashing. No, I think this time she's actually going to... No, here she comes back. Oh, you can do it, Vivian. Vivian, don't touch. And there she goes again. Splash. And here she comes back. She's like a yo-yo, folks. She's doing great, though. And there she goes. She got a little bit wet there, and here she comes back. Yeah, very good, Vivian. Very good. And there she goes again.
Drive hard. Shadows. Yeah, I'll do one for you.
Yes, she's gotten even faster.
Go, Vivi! You don't have to have your hair brushed.
Every day.
Nora, show how your crawling is going. Come here. Come on, come here. See? So much better this week.
They just stopped.
What? Going this week. Show how your crawling is going, yeah. Because you're so much better all of a sudden. Come on. Yeah, that was Daddy. Yes, the world economy is collapsing, but don't worry about that. Show, yeah. Come on. Go. Go. Come here. Come get the camera.
Did you see that one?
I did, yes. I'm making a movie of you bouncing on this expensive bed at the Hyatt in Chicago. It will be entered in evidence later.
What?
Nora's ordering room service.
What's that? I just don't put my feet up. I didn't do it.
Calling a pizza, Nora. Nora, are you gonna get us pizza? Gonna get us pizza? Yeah, Chicago.
Talk about stuff inside you have to worry about.
You're on, Nora.
Well, this is not a good place to sit, my darling.
Bye, little puddle. Nora, you're on. Make it go.
Happy first birthday, Nora.
Yeah. Make it go.
Enjoy your convertible.
I know.
Look at you. Look at you go. Look at you go. You're a speed demon. Nora.
Nora.
Nora. Look here.
Smile for birthday Eve. Birthday, Nora! Oh, the dismount. The tricky.
Hello, hello. Look at you go, look at you go.
We gotta take you out on the open road. Up, and leg over. Very good. You nailed it.
Now look. Oh.
Whoa!
You're welcome. Keep those new teeth. Well, I'm sorry.
I know. Well, you gotta swing your leg. You swing your leg? I know. Probably the other leg. Oh, listen to the bit. You made the horn go. Yeah.
How did I do that?
How did I do that? With this hand. Yeah. Not bad for something curbside, is it? Hi, Nora. Whoa, look at you go!
Mary Flowers is the finished one.
Okay.
Hi there.
Hi, Vivi.
What? Hi there.
I'm making a movie of you and only your nose is showing.
Da-da.
Go, Vivi! Oh, crash. Okay.